Hey guys, it's Ariel from Seattle Coffee Gear, and today I am going to just show you how to make cold foam, and it's really simple. So I'm just going to do like a very basic vanilla sweet cream cold foam. So I'm going to add just a little splash of homemade vanilla syrup to a French press, and then add half and half. Okay, and then here I'm going to go ahead and get my cup ready. So another little splash of vanilla syrup and some cold brew. We're going to leave about an inch of room. All right, let's get to it. Just going to put your lid on your French press, and we're just going to basically pump the press over and over again until the half and half doubles in volume. So you're going to see it kind of thicken. It'll get harder and harder to press. And you'll get these tiny little bubbles. Okay. There we go. Super simple. We have our cold foam. Just gonna put this in the sink. We'll just give it a little tap and swirl. Bring down some of those bigger bubbles. Then pour it over the top of our drink. And what you'll get is a layer on top, and then it will slowly incorporate with the rest of your beverage. Super simple, happens in under 2 minutes. So there is our how to make cold foam. Thanks, guys.